Today, we're diving into a crucial workaround for all Apple Pay users: how to flawlessly complete a transaction even when your power button decides to take a coffee break. No more fumbling. No more embarrassment, just seamless payments. Our secret weapon lies within accessibility shortcuts. First, you'll want to head into your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find accessibility and tap on it. This is where we unlock some powerful features. Once in accessibility, you'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom. See accessibility shortcut. This is the golden ticket. Tap on it to customize your shortcut options. Now, within accessibility shortcut, you'll see a list of features. Find Apple Pay and ensure it has a checkmark next to it. This links Apple Pay to our new power button free activation method. With Apple Pay selected in your accessibility shortcut, here's the magic: simply triple-click your home button if your device has one, or the side button if your iPhone is a newer model without a physical home button. This instantaneous action bypasses the need for your power button entirely. And just like that, Apple Pay will appear on your screen, ready for you to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID and complete your purchase. No power button, no problem. You're now equipped to handle any power button malfunction with confidence. Never let a faulty power button leave you in a bind again. Share this video with anyone who needs to know this essential hack. See you in the next one.